You're watching Mining Headlines on mining.com. I'm Devin Morgan. Gold has hit another all-time high. It surged past $3,050 an ounce on Wednesday as U.S. policymakers signaled slower growth and higher inflation. Spot prices settled at $3,045, while U.S. gold futures rose to $3,056 after a Federal Reserve policy update. Fed Chair Jerome Powell acknowledged economic uncertainty under President Trump, but said no rate cuts are coming soon. Weaker U.S. Treasury yields and a lower dollar boosted gold's appeal to investors. Analysts say markets expect easier monetary policy, fueling gold's 16% rise in 2025 so far. Copper prices surged past $5 per pound, nearing record highs as traders rushed to ship metal to the U.S. before possible tariffs. The U.S. relies on imports for 45% of its copper demand, fueling a scramble to secure supply ahead of expected levies. Between 100,000 and 150,000 tons of copper is set to arrive soon, potentially breaking the previous import record. Traders like Glencoe and Trafigura are redirecting shipments from Asia and booking extra storage in U.S. ports. The price gap between U.S. and global copper markets has widened, hitting a 12% premium over London prices. Now, analysts expect the U.S. to impose 25% tariffs by year end, forcing American buyers to continue relying on imports. Bismuth prices have soared in Europe and the U.S. after China imposed export controls on the critical mineral. Now, bismuth is a heavy metal used in atomic research, cosmetics, and pharmaceuticals. European prices have jumped from $6 to $40 per pound, while U.S. prices have surged to $55 per pound. The spike follows China's restrictions on 5 key metals, including bismuth, in response to U.S. tariffs. China produces over 80% of the world's bismuth, leaving no immediate alternative supply. Traders warn that low global inventories are keeping prices high, with uncertainty over future shipments. Bismuth futures in China have more than doubled since the start of the year, reflecting tight supply. Uzbekistan has unveiled a $2.6 billion plan to develop its vast reserves of critical minerals over the next 3 years. The initiative includes 76 projects focused on extracting key metals like tungsten, lithium, titanium, and vanadium. President Shavkat Mirziyoyev says modern technology will be used to boost mineral purity and create high-value products. The country also holds gold reserves, with Navoy Mining planning to expand Muruntau, one of the world's largest gold deposits. Navoy hopes to launch an IPO later this year, attracting investment to further develop Uzbekistan's resource sector. China has found what could be the largest middle and heavy rare earth deposits, further strengthening its dominance in the industry. The deposits in Yunnan province is estimated to hold 1.15 million tons of rare earth resources, including key minerals used in electric vehicles and defense. Experts say it is China's first major ion adsorption rare earth discovery in over 50 years, making extraction easier and more efficient. Now, China already controls 60% of global rare earth production and 85% of processing, far outpacing other countries. The discovery follows recent efforts to expand exploration using a new national geochemical baseline network. With demand for rare earths rising, the find reinforces China's control over these critical minerals. And that's where we leave your stories on mining.com for now.